This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We're cracking 3 boxes out of a fresh case of 2014 Panini Hot Rookies football. This is an eBay break, so I'm going to go through and read off the teams. It'll be your eBay name followed by the teams that you have. We got Jams LS6 with the Lions and Niners, Harbud with the Bengals and Chiefs, Indy Bluesman with the Jets, Chargers, Redskins, Deep G Brooks with the Ravens, Bills, Panthers, Browns, Broncos, Packers, Texans, Colts, Jags, Steelers, Seahawks, Rams, Falcons, Dolphins, Saints, Bucks, and Titans. We got Jane Bead with the Eagles, Two Wheel Tornado with the Raiders, Thrill with the Giants, Stemma Boy with the Patriots, Only Authentics with the Vikings. Oh, awesome stuff with the Dallas Cowboys. We got Guido 138 with the Bears and Baber 121606 with the Cardinals. Hope you guys caught all that. Let's get cracking. Good luck, everybody. We got 3 sealed boxes here, guys. All right. Good luck, everyone. Any first-time breakers, just want to say thanks for joining. Stick with us. We have a lot of fun, guys. Four packs in the box, guys. We got 1, 2, 3, and your 4th pack, which is your auto pack in an empty box, guys. We're going to rock that base pack out first. This is all base, and this guy's going to fly through it unless we get a hot pack or something. I will read off all numbered cards. Aaron Rodgers, 3 out of 99. Eric Berry, 59 out of 79. Showcase. And just the rest base, guys. On to the rookie pack. Great to have you back, Jams. Really appreciate you coming back. Mike Evans, hot rookie. Aaron Murray, hot rookie. Cody Latimer, artist proof, 16 out of 35, rookie. Kevin Reese, Jordan Matthews, Anthony Barr, Marcus Lee, Aaron Donald, Stephen Tuitt, and Blake Bortles. Okay, guys. First hit's going to be in this pack. Auto memorabilia hit will be in this pack. Alright, we got base, 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 and your hit. Going this way, Joseph Randle, jersey auto. Cowboys, Joseph Randle. Jersey auto. Auto pack, guys. We have an Odell Beckham Jr. out of the gate, guys. 6 out of 99. That's number 6 out of 99. Your next hit is a points card. Just to make everybody aware on how the points cards work, I do a random at the end for how many teams you bought is how many spots you get in the random. So everyone will have a shot at it, and the more teams you bought, the better chance you have of getting it. And the hit behind that, Jerick McKinnon. It's a Vikings hit. Somebody was asking for some Vikings. McKinnon, that's numbered 72 out of 99. McKinnon. If anyone's not familiar at all with the point system this year, Panini has gotten rid of redemptions. They've went to a point system, and I can't confirm exactly how many points cards cost, but they basically have on their website a way you can purchase cards, depending on the amount of points. 1, 2, 3, and your 4th pack. And an empty box, guys. So you can apparently save up points and purchase cards on their website. So they went to this point system. So, and here's your base pack. All your base cards here, guys. They like to make them all upside down for me, make my job a little harder. Matt Forte, 69 out of 99. Scorecard. Cameron Jordan, 21 out of 99. Scorecard. Salty, you checked out the store that they have for the points? Because I haven't even looked. Because all points cards that obviously I've been pulling, I give away in the breaks. So rookie pack coming up. Tom Savage, hot rookie. Kelvin Benjamin, hot rookie. We have a Martavius Bryant, artist proof hot rookie, 31 out of 35. That's for the Squealers. Jordan Matthews, Anthony Barr, Telvin Smith, AJ McCarron, Devontae Adams, Derek Carr, and Bishop Sankey. All right, guys, here we go. Your first hit is in this pack. Base. 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 Your hit. Back to back. Joseph Randle. Wow. It's a Randle hot box. Hot case. Joseph Randle. Jersey auto, guys. Cowboys. All right, auto pack. That surprises me, Salty. They were, from what I was hearing and what they had said, is that their redemptions or the autos that they weren't able to put in the packs were going to be available in the store. So that made me think there'd be some nice stuff. At least that's the way they made it sound. But Timothy Wright, Inscriptions auto. That's a Buccaneers hit. Next auto. Kelvin Benjamin, the Panthers. Panthers on the board. Next auto. Aaron Donald, Rams. That's numbered 58 out of 99. 58 out of 99. Aaron Donald for the Rams. Last box, guys. Let's get a big one in here. One, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, empty box, guys. Let's get a big one. Come on. That surprises me, Salty. I'll have to check out the store, even though it's probably a waste of time, but I'll have to look at it. Base cards, guys. Russell Wilson, 77 out of 99. Scorecard. Nice card. Keenan Allen, 69 out of 99. And just some base here, guys. Rookie pack. Charles Sims, hot rookie. Jason Morrow, hot rookie. Tom Savage, rookie numbered 7 out of 99. Michael Campanaro, Brandon Cooks, Taylor Lewan, Jeff Janis, Marion Grice, Jackson Jeffcoat, and David Yankee. Rookies, guys. All right, come on. A little bit of mojo here. Come on. Base. 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 Here we go. Going this way. Dolphins. Dion Jordan. Jersey auto. Dolphins on the board. Jersey auto. All right, guys. Here we go. Out of the gate, you got a Kevin Minter. Cardinals. Inscriptions auto. Cardinals. A little bit of damage on the top. They didn't do too good of a job packaging this one. A little bit of damage up top. All right, here we go. Come on. Oh, boy. We got another points card, guys. Another points card. So that's 2 points cards given away, guys. So I'll be doing that right after the break, so stick around. You'll have a shot at those. But the one thing I do know about the points cards is they seem to be worth about, for like every 100 points, seems to be worth like $10. So, you know, they're not terrible. All right, last auto. Here we go, guys. D Ford. The Chiefs. 27 out of 50. D Ford. Rookie auto. Chiefs. Quick hit recap, guys. D Ford. Rookie auto. That's 27 out of 50. Kevin Minter. Inscriptions. Auto. Dion Jordan. For the Dolphins. Jersey auto. Aaron Donald for the Rams, 58 out of 99, rookie auto. Calvin Benjamin for the Panthers, rookie auto. Timothy Wright, inscriptions auto. A Joseph Randall, jersey auto. Jerick McKinnon for the Vikings, 72 out of 99. Odell Beckham Jr. for the Giants, 6 out of 99. A Joseph Randall, jersey auto. Guys, I kind of cooled off there in those 3 boxes, but thanks for breaking us with us at Cardboard Hobby. Stick around for the random for the points cards. And like I said, check us out on Twitter or our website. We'll be off probably till Sunday or Monday, so have a great weekend. And stick around, guys. Thanks again.